Well guys, today I'm going to show you how to unpack the new phone HTC One 802W. So that's the one that I bought from the market, and that's the box mainly for HTC One 802. That's the front side, and so mainly when you buy the phone from the market, you will get it on this box like this. So opposite side of this box, you will see all the configuration over here. Okay, and when you open the box, you will find the phone like this on your box. So after you open this one, on first you can see the phone over here. So this the mainly phone called HTC One 802W. So with this phone in the box comes this charger, and then you have a earphone. So this earphone is actually a very good one. Mostly you have a button over here, you can pause it and you can play it. So after you open, mainly on the top side of the phone, you will see this button. You press that, so the phone HTC One 802W will be open. So now it's starting. So, and then on the side of this phone, you can see it has the volume button, and you can capture the video as well. Okay, so that's the mainly regarding this phone. And one more things of this phone, you have a camera, and then it has a flash. It's 13 megapixel, the back camera, and the front camera is 8 megapixel. And then when it's open, you just slide up, you will see the button will come, and the middle you press, all the application will come. So like in the other phone, it goes on the side, but this phone goes up and down. So that's it for this phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, ask me below by comments. Thank you.